All right, guys, check it out. 2021 1320 edition. Look at that. It is so cool. Right there. Dodge Challenger. And it's already got the active exhaust off, guys. So here's what it sounds like before. So it's probably got a mid-delete, sounds like. Or something.
No, but I stuck the kit in there where the active exhaust stays open.
Okay.
Like the valves are stuck in it.
Yeah.
They just don't do it.
That sounds mean. Here's sound decibels. Again. And that color, you know what, is a nice color actually.
It's growing on me.
Yeah.
Like when I saw the red, I was originally thinking, okay, I'm gonna wrap it, but I was looking at one of those bright red.
Yeah.
When I found this, I was like, no. It's got some metallic flavor,
Yeah.
so like in sunlight.
No,
it's
and I
shiny.
like it like when it's in the shade. Like,
Yeah,
it gives it
do
a
too. I
nice
like
metallic
the shade
look.
color better. It's almost like it's 2 parts red and 1 part black.
1320 Challenger Scat Pack 6.4. So it's got a Demon transmission, Demon rear end, Demon suspension. That's what the difference is on these with the 1320. If you guys didn't know, one of only 900 made. And that color is growing on me more and more. It's a good looking car. What we got done on it, factory converter, factory X5. Then we put 2 FLOWMASTER Super 44s. Make sure you guys, when you order these for these Challengers, make sure they're offset. Okay, you see right there? Make sure you guys they're offset. Do not get them offset center. It makes it a lot harder to install. So make sure they're offset. It's 943048. 943048. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then he did the Z Automotive. We'll see if we can get you guys a link for that also. And that what it does is a valve delete right there. It keeps the valves open. You delete them and zip tie them open. They're called Z Automotive. They're made by Z Automotive. It tricks a computer. This piece right here. And what it does, it clips in here and here, sends a signal to these to show that it's plugged in and all that. Like the valves are working, but they're not. And he just kept them zip tied open. And then it's got also a rear delete there. We just did that also. And there, 3-inch. And kept his factory tips. He likes the look of the factory tips. Brings back memories when it was the OG Challenger. He left them like that. So there you go. And there's the mids that were on it right there. And there's the rears that were on it right there. So we cut all that off. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And again, guys, sorry for the construction, but they're doing construction. So that's Nashville growth. Much better.
Yeah. Noticeably louder. Oh yeah.
That's it. That's clean. This is FLOWMASTER Super 44. Here's sound decibels. Hit it hard. It's the rev limiter. About 105 around there. Yeah, nothing crazy. That sounds so good. $13.20 Challenger. Trying to keep it a sleeper. Let you guys hear on the inside. Challenger 1320 guys, sorry for the construction. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.